To install the FCS2 or FCS4 onto the Nikon large stage adapter, locate the knurled thumb screw and loosen by rotating counterclockwise. Once loose, make sure the screw and wedge are able to slide freely. Locate the two dovetail receivers in the stage adapter. These receivers interface the chamber dovetail on the FCS4 and FCS2 chambers. Insert the FCS4 chamber into the stage adapter with the backside of the chamber slightly tilted. Make sure the dovetail receivers are above the dovetail of the chamber once inserted and chamber is flat. Slide the thumb screw and wedge to the right toward the chamber to hold the chamber into the stage adapter. If desired, you can lock the chamber in place by rotating the thumb screw clockwise until it stops. The chamber is now locked into the stage adapter. To remove the chamber, rotate the thumb screw counterclockwise. Then slide the thumb screw and wedge to the left. To install the FCS2 chamber, you will insert the chamber at a slight angle so that the chamber dovetail slides under the stage adapter receivers. Slide the thumb screw and wedge to the right and lock by tightening the thumb screw. To remove the chamber, you will loosen the thumb screw by rotating counterclockwise, then slide to the left and remove the chamber. If you have any questions with installation, please contact a Bioptechs representative.